It's a big rip. Big rip right there in the plastic. Wow. So we got a situation where we have a huge hole in the roof of a plastic. Farmer Mike, live at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Got about 2 hours before another storm comes in. But for the most part, everything is looking good. And want to make sure we don't have any snow still on the greenhouse plastic. So that's a good sign. That's what we want to see right there. Clean plastic. We don't want any buildup. So that's what we want right there, some clean plastic. We don't want any buildup or ice or snow. About 2 hours, the cold front, another storm's coming through. So just out here assessing, everything looking good right here. What I like to do is come out here and look for any tracks, any animal tracks, or look for any footprints. You can always tell when people have been fooling around because you can see the footprints, and you can see actually footprints of animals as well. So for the most part, see what we got right here. So this is some type of animal print right here. Going back up in the woods. For the most part, we're looking good. Uh-oh. What is that? Wow, that's not good. It looks like, is that a rip? I got a rip in the plastic. Oh, that's a big rip. It's a big rip. Big rip right there in the plastic. Wow. So we got a situation where we have a huge hole in the roof of a plastic. Go in here, hopefully I can find some tape. Patch this up before the storm comes through. Let's see, where is it? Oh, that's a big rip. Wow, wow. That is a gash and a split. There and there.
Woo, child, tired of the foolish. Gone, dust your shoulders off. Keep it moving, yes, Lord. Step into some new kicks. In there, swimwear, going to the pool quick. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify. If he don't love you anymore, just walk your fine self out the door. I do my head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Baby, how you feeling? Ooh, girl, need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath, time to focus on you. All the big fights, long nights that you've been through. I got a bottle of tequila I've been saving for you. Boss up and change your life. You can have it all, no sacrifice. I know we did you wrong, we can make it right.
Well, it ain't pretty. Okay, guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Good thing I came out to Ophelia's today, or else I never would have noticed that tear in the greenhouse plastic. Hopefully, this patch job can get us through the next couple of months, and then in the summer when it's warmer, we'll reskin this whole greenhouse. So thanks for watching Farmer Mike live at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the snow in the Jazz District. At our urban farm where it lives.